This is an interesting problem. Find all pairs xy with xy real numbers satisfying the equations, two equations, sin x plus y over 2 equal to 0 and mod x plus mod y equal to 1. We have to find out the solution for the pairs xy with xy real numbers, and they satisfies these two equations, sin x plus y over 2 equal to 0 and mod x plus mod y equal to 1. Let us start. Here two equations are given, one is this, another is this, that is sin x plus y equal to 0 and mod x plus mod y equal to 1. These two equations are given. We have known the solution for sin theta equal to 0, when sin theta equal to 0, theta equal to n pi, that is theta equal to 0 or n pi, where n is also plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and so on. These are the solutions for theta, where theta is also x plus y over 2, here theta is also x plus y over 2. These are the solution for x plus y over 2. Now, solution for this equation sin x plus y over 2 equal to 0. These are the solution, that is x plus y over 2 equal to 0 or n pi, where n equal to plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and so on. Now, we have also known this inequality. This inequality is mod x plus mod y. Mod of x plus y always less equal to mod x plus mod y. Now, when x plus y over 2 equal to 0, that is x plus y equal to 0, then 0 less equal to mod x plus mod y, also mod x plus mod y equal to 1, that is 0 less equal to 1, which is possible. 0 always less than 1, that is less equal to 1, which is possible. Here also 0 less than 1, so it is possible. So it is possible. It is possible. So x plus y equal to 0, the solution for sin x plus y over 2 equal to 0, x plus y equal to 0, this is the solution. This solution is possible. This is possible. So x plus y is 0 is possible. Possible. But when other values, that is x plus y over 2 equal to n pi, that is x plus y equal to 2n pi, then 2n pi less equal to mod x plus mod y, because 2n pi is the value of mod of x plus y. X plus y is 2n pi, so mod of x plus y is also 2n pi, that is mod 2n pi we can write, because n is plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3. So mod 2n pi less equal to mod x plus mod y, that is mod 2n pi less equal to 1, mod x plus mod y equal to 1. So mod 2n pi less equal to 1, but n equal to plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3 and so on. So it is not possible, but it is not possible. It is not possible because n equal to plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, and pi is always 22 over 7, that is greater than 3. Value of pi is always greater than 3, and so and n is always greater or equal to 1 to 1, that is in value of n is plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3. So, for these values 2n pi cannot be less equal to 1, cannot be less equal to 1. So, it is not possible. So, x plus y equal to 2n pi, this solution is not possible, is not it is not possible. X plus this solution for sin x plus y over 2 equal to 0 is not possible. Only x plus y equal to 0 is the solution for the equation sin x plus y over 2 equal to 0. So, therefore, only x plus y equal to 0 is the solution for sin x plus y over 2 equal to 0, and also here mod x on the condition mod x plus mod y less equal to 1. Only x plus y equal to 0 the solution for these two equations. So, x plus y equal to 0 means x equal to minus y or y equal to minus x. So, mod x equal to mod y. Now, mod x plus mod y equal to 1, this is given. Mod x plus mod y equal to 1 is given. So, mod x plus mod y is mod x equal to 1, which implies mod x equal to half, that is x equal to plus half or minus half. Here two values is got for x. X is one value of x is plus half and other value for x is minus half. So, only two values of x are found out, that is x equal to plus minus half. So, there are only two solutions one is when x is plus half, then y is minus half for the pairs plus half minus half. When x is minus half, then y equal to plus half. So, minus half and plus half for the pairs. These two solutions is possible for the pairs x y. So, there are only two solutions, one is plus half minus half and other is minus half plus half. These are two solutions, only two solutions for the pairs x y, which satisfies two solutions for pairs x y which satisfies the two equations sin x plus y over 2 equal to 0 and mod x plus mod y equal to 1. This is, so these are two only solutions for the pairs xy. Here xy also real numbers, and this pair satisfies these two equations, sin s plus y over 2 equal to 0 and mod x plus mod y equal to 1. Thus we have found out the solution for the pairs xy.